program to display factors of a number. As we know that, for example, if we take the number 10, then the factors of 10 are 1, then 2, 5 and 10. So 1 and 10, that is, these two are the trivial factors of any given number. Suppose if we enter a, then a has two trivial factors, that is 1 and number itself, positive factor. Okay, so what is meant by factor? If it is exactly divisible by a number, then it is called a factor of a given number. So for example, if we enter 16, then factors are here 1, 2, 4, then 8 and the number itself. So these are the factors of given number 16. So now we are going to write a C program to print factors of a given number. So the void main, then take integer number, say n, that is the factor we want to display, then printf, enter your number. We are going to display this message, enter your number, then okay, scanf, we want to enter this number. Since it is an integer, so it's %d, it can be identified by %d, scanf %d and n. Then we are going to display here printf, the factors of n are, okay, and then we are going to use a for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and here if n modulo I equal to 0, then printf %d and I, okay, and finally close main loop. So for example, if we enter n is equal to 8, then here first I equal to 1. Now if 8 modulo I equal to 0, this condition is true, so it print 1, then it increase I equal to 2, next time it increase I equal to 2, again n 8 modulo 2 equal to 0, this condition is true, so it display, first it display 1, then 2, then next it increases I, now I equal to 3, now 8 modulo 3 equal to 1, okay, equal to 1, not equal to 0, this is not equal to 0, so it increases, if n modulo I equal to 0, so here I am going to write this in loop, okay, then it enter inside, then it increases I equal to 4, 8 modulo 4 equal to 0, this condition is true, then again it display 4, then for 5 condition false, for 6 condition false, and finally for 8 it print 8, and then finally when I is equal to 9, then this condition is false, and finally it print the result. Okay, so now we are going to write here C program. First we want to include header file, include stdio.h hash include conio.h void main, okay, then integer, we require integer n and I, then clear the previous output, then printf, enter number from user, enter your number, okay, then scanf, percent d and n. Okay, and then we are going to display here printf factors of number percent d are equal to, so or r n. This message will be displayed then by using for loop for I equal to 1, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus bracket completed, sorry not for semicolon, then if n modulo I equal to 0, if this condition true, then printf percent d, okay, some space, we require some space between two factors, so percent d and I, since I is a factor of n, else it increases the value of I, finally get ch and close the main loop. So if you compile here, error include, sorry spelling is mistake, two error here, then if you compile again, okay, now if you run here, then enter your number, say 10. So the factors of number 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. If you run one more times, if you enter here 16, then the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. You run one more times, if you enter 12, then the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You can display this factor on new line also. So here you just enter new line, then you will get the factors. So if you enter here 12, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12.